RE1 today we're at District 19.
And we have a renovated 3-bedroom condominium to show you.
It is one of the best that you can find in this project as there is no direct afternoon sun and yet has direct pool views throughout the whole unit.
Once again, I'm Cedric.
And I'm Eunice, and we are from Property 65, presenting to you Esparina Residences.
Esparina Residences is a 99-year leasehold property and completed back in 2014. This project has a total of 9 blocks and 573 units. Residents can enjoy main facilities such as the clubhouse, gym, spa pool, lap pool, tennis court, thermal jacuzzi, and teppanyaki barbecue pits. Esparina Residences is only 3 minutes walk to Buangkok MRT, where you can find coffee shops, hair salon, hardware store, clinics, bakery, and a good-sized supermarket. It is also right opposite Sengkang Residences, an integrated project with retail shops, childcare, enrichment center, hawker center, community club, bus interchange, and a huge supermarket at the basement level. The recent transaction has hit a record-breaking price of 1,915 per square feet. That is an astounding of 21% higher than Esparina Residences. It is also conveniently located with plenty of amenities nearby, such as Hougang Green Mall, Hougang Mall, Riverview Plaza, Sengkang Square, Campus 1, just to name a few. What's more, Punggol Park is just within walking distance, perfect for your morning jog or brisk walk session. As for families with children, the reputable Holy Innocents Primary School, top 15, Rosai School, top 5, and Nanchiao Primary School, top 13, is within 2 km radius.
So without further ado, let's head up to the unit.
As this unit is on a car park level, you have direct access to lobby right in front of your entrance. Great delivery convenience when you purchase heavy or bulky items. This unit is sized at 1,066 square feet, comes with 1 master ensuite, 2 common bedrooms, 1 common bathroom, enclosed kitchen with yard, a utility room, and a water closet.
Alright, stepping into the unit, over here we have our resort pool view, and for this balcony facing is way toward the east, meaning we have morning sun coming into the balcony. Let us take a moment to enjoy the view.
Okay, back to the home tour. Right now, we actually have a very nice foyer area, and behind here, we actually have a movable shoe cabinet. Alright, so right behind this movable shoe cabinet, we actually have a distribution board over here. It gives you great storage space where you can actually put a lot of bulky items and belongings.
Moving on, the dining area can fit a 6-seater dining table where you'll be able to have dinner with all your family members with ease. This mirror feature also enhances the perception of the size of the dining area.
Alright, right at the living room, we can put a 3-seater sofa, massage chair, and comfortable sofa to TV distance.
Alright, so the living area leads to the balcony, and the balcony is actually decked up and level up with the living area, which gives you the flexibility to extend your living space all the way to the balcony. You can consider actually installing zip-track curtains so that you can enclose your balcony all the way to your living area space.
The kitchen can be enclosed, and the kitchen window is wide and huge. It provides great natural light and ventilation. The developer is Fraser's Property Limited, and all the kitchen appliances are from EF Home Appliances. As compared to the other 3-bedroom size at 1,001 square feet, only this unit size comes with spacious dining room, a utility room, yard area, and a water closet, a necessity for larger families. Did you know that Esparina Residences may have an estimated potential gain of $150,000? For 3-bedroom similar size units, we have Sengkang Residences, may easily cost up to $2 million at 1,055 square feet, as there is already a successful subsale on 7 December 2022 at 1,896 per square feet. Furthermore, Jewel at Buangkok, which is right beside Esparina Residences, is selling for $1.72 million at 1,573 per square feet. Next, we have The Quartz, 17 years old, is selling for $1.5 million at 1,369 per square feet. What's the selling price right here? For this layout, only at $1.59 million at 1,491 per square feet. The price per square feet difference between Sengkang Residences and Esparina Residences prices is currently at 406 per square feet, which may give you a conservative 150 per square feet potential gains to match up.
Okay, moving on to the common room. All common rooms come with full height window, wardrobe, and parquet flooring.
This owner uses the first common room as a study room. If needed, you can easily convert it back into a bedroom. Similarly to the rest of the house, you can get pool views here. As for the second common room, you can fit a queen-size bed and a dresser table. For the ladies, imagine if you could do your makeup while looking at this beautiful Serenity pool view every day. Isn't it a huge plus point?
Want to know what's the favorite part of the house?
Take a look at this.
And at the master room, what we have is this designer headboard, 2 bedside table, built-in TV console, and your generous storage space.
What I love about this unit is this huge master bedroom where you can actually fit another single bed over here and still get ample space around. Not many condominiums have this size, and only a handful of young condominiums have such a huge master bedroom. Entering the master bathroom, you can see it's very spacious, very huge, wheelchair friendly, and also very ventilated.
Alright, I believe you are really keen to know the payment plan for this beautiful unit. Assuming purchasing at $1.5 million, you will need 5% cash, $79,500, 20% cash and or CPF, down payment of $318,000, 75% bank loan, which is $1,192,500, which is the monthly installment of $5,355 for 30 years tenure, and the current bank interest is 3.5%. Do note that you can also use your combined monthly CPF OA for the deduction of the monthly installments.
Alright, we have come to the end of the home tour, and this unit definitely a move-in condition.
If you're interested to view this unit, feel free to contact us. Once again, I'm Eunice.
And I'm Cedric, Property 65, uplifting your home value. We sell higher. I'll see you soon.